Hello friends out there on YouTube. Thanks for watching for the past year. Thanks for all your subscriptions, all your comments and everything like that. I just want to let you know I'm going to start a membership program. So it'd be great if you guys would like to join up. It'll help me finance my project here a little bit better, because right now, dear friends out there, YouTube earns me about $100 a month. And Galopin can't survive on that, and neither can I. Patreon helps out, but I only make about $600 a month. And then I have to get creative about making some money here and there. And I would love to talk about that with you, but I can't, because it's somewhat private and it's not something I want to discuss publicly with the grand YouTube public. But I will if you become members of Voyage. You'll have to pay a little bit, monthly fee. But I will get back to you, I will talk to you, I'll answer your questions, I'll make little special videos that explain things that are not for the general public, but just for you. And if you don't want to join, you just want to keep following along for free, cool, that's great, thanks. But I'm going to spend my time answering comments for the people who do help out and stuff, you know, because there's a lot, and it's a lot of work. Between keeping up Galopin, all the work that has to be done on it, even though I don't do a lot of the work, doing these videos takes a freaking lot of time. You don't know, but it really does. It takes a minimum 3 full days to 4 full days just for editing. That's not including the shooting, the uploading of all the shots, the organizing of everything like that, and writing the voiceover. I mean, there's a lot of work. So I think you guys could spare a dime here and there for me. If not, cool. Be cheapskates. Watch for free. I do the same. But I'll tell you one thing. I practice what I preach. I am a patron for some of my favorite channels, you know. Everybody deserves to earn a little something. So I hope that you will agree with me. If you want to call me an internet beggar or whatever you want, fine. But I do put in a lot of work to bring these videos out to you. So if some of you are cool enough to show a little respect, join and become members, you won't regret it. I will let you in on some stuff that's pretty juicy that you won't not find out or hear about on YouTube G-rated channel. Okay? All right. Happy New Year. Hope you'll join the membership program. You won't regret it. Come on. Come along. Be cool. Join. Help us out, man. Me and Galopin.